diabetes, it can be a sign of nerve injury, or a combination of both arthritis and a diabetes. So yung advice ko po sa inyo, Ma'am Rose, pwede kasing medical yung issue niyo po. If hindi nyo mapiko yung tuhod nyo, it's also possible that you have arthritis. Tapos yung combination ng arthritis at saka diabetes, posibleng meron po kayo. Nako-confirm po natin to with a physical examination, which I do dito po sa clinic po. And I hope na matulungan kita para makatindog kag usab. Okay, Ma'am Rose says, bugat alsahon kung motindog ko. So yeah, it's very also possible pag you have arthritis tapos you have diabetes, you will lose a lot of muscle if you haven't been moving po. So really important yung exercise even for elderly po. So question from Ma'am Bell, Doc, may I know your clinic schedule, please? Thank you. Yeah, again, I'm here Monday to Friday sa Cebu Orthopedic Institute across Chongo Hospital. That's 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. except Wednesdays po. We have Jessa from Negros. Jessa says, Doc, 13 years ago, napasuyupan ako sa dalawang tuhod. And then, again, November 2022, gisuyupan na po akong right knee. Then, nagpalaboratorio ako after 2 weeks. Nibalik na sa danghubag sa tuhod, man gisuyupan og usab. So, gisuyupan balik-balik ang tuhod ni Ma'am Jessa from Negros. Ang specimen gipakuha, gipa-culture, and para mahibaw-an ko no ano ang case ko. Nibalik ang result, walang nakita. Clear po. Tulungan niyo po ako kasi masakit yung tuhod. Salamat and God bless po, Doc. Thank you po sa mga tanong niyo po, especially si Ma'am Jessa from Negros. If balik-balik suyupan yung tuhod niyo tapos normal po, pwede kasing normal joint fluid yung cause ng swelling po. Normal joint fluid caused by inflammation from arthritis or bursitis can be caused by, again, these two. Hindi nyo kailangan po i-laboratorio kasi pag nakita sa x-ray lang na meron na po kayong arthritis, that can be enough na po. Hindi nyo na po kailangan ipa-laboratorio yung fluid niyo po kasi pag yung kulay ng fluid is clear or yellowish, that's the normal joint fluid.